Boys, look what we have here. 3 months later, finally got my barrels for my freaking wheels, dude. 3 months later, 19 by 5, 2 of those, and 19 by 4.5. It is about time. 3? Already is in January, February? It is now May something. May 13th. I got a car show in about 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. And this thing looks like this. Like, no side skirts, no bumper. Trunk's not finished and my wheels aren't done. And I got 2 weeks, but trunk is almost done. And hopefully if everything goes right, I should get these done in a little bit. Here we go, guys. Part 2 of building my freaking wheels. Finally, I should have had this done months ago, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit the fronts just to make sure that 4.5 will actually clear. If it doesn't, we got some problems. If it does, then whoop-de-freaking-do, here we go. It's freaking pouring outside. Just started pouring, but it's kind of peaceful. You know what I mean. All right, I do need a 5 mil for the front, but 5 mil's on the back right now, so stinky. Wait a minute, hold on. Wait, what are these? Throw one of these on, and let's see now. I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, clear as day. Oh my gosh, clear as day, clear as day. And it clears the brakes. Ooh. Okay, well this is just a 3 mil on. I actually might be able to use a 3 mil. All right, so if y'all remember how to do this last time from the previous video, this Johnson is self-explanatory. Literally, we just broke the seal, took the bolts out, split it apart, call it a day. Now it's reverse, except sealing is probably the most annoying part. I hate that. I hate sealing, but you gotta do it. So put all the bolts in, and then my tiny things are crusty. I probably should have bought new bolts, but honestly, I didn't think about it. All right, boys, so now we are torquing the Jones. I'm torquing them to about 19 foot-pounds. I'm doing it from the front. I'm not too sure if this is a correct way to do this. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing here, but I torqued those from the front, and they've obviously seemed to help fine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and torque these from the front. I should probably, I guess it's tight enough. I don't need a bolt on the back, or a wrench on the back, but just freaking sit here, just freaking 19 foot-pounds, and I'm going like this, kind of just to even out the pressure. I'm kind of lost track of where I'm at. I'm just kind of freaking going, so hopefully you guys can actually see what I'm doing too as well. So yeah, after this it's sealing, and they're all torqued. W. All right, so I got these off Amazon. When I was trying to do these wheels, I bought one and realized it was small because I just saw some rollers and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy these. As you can see, we got a little issue. They're a little small, so I bought 2. Yeah. Slap these Johnsons right here. Bring this Johnson up. We should be good. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. I didn't use tape last time, and it wasn't as clean, but it's okay because nobody's gonna see them. But I wanna try to get these tires to look good now. Okay, so my least favorite part, sealing. So usually what I do, freaking hit them with the, let it go into surgery type Johnson here. So I got this freaking silicone metal, whatever, I use it on those, works fine. No leaks yet, so I'm gonna use it again. I'm just gonna put one bead down, smooth it, do another bead, smooth it until I feel good. So usually a pretty thick bead first, let's see. Probably a bigger tip here. Got done here. All right, next I will sit here and I'll just smooth the Joan out. Barely any pressure, I just freaking yoink the Joan. There we go. Oh. Hey yo, what the? Yeah, the lip's a little bit bigger than the barrel for whatever reason. So, okay, there we go. First one down, get the glove out here. Okay. And here we go again. It's gonna be a little bit messier since I can't get it really in the bead. Bro, what in the world am I doing right now? Okay, got it there again. Okay. And I just take my thing, smooth it out. Probably do one more after this. 3 layers of this stuff. After I'm stuffing it down, we should be fine. Perfect. Sweet. Now I have, I'm pretty confident that this will hold air some. No, this actually looks fine. Sometimes I'm gonna flatten this area out here just because it's a little thick. Just do not want this to catch when somebody's putting the tire on and then rip my whole seal out. Just kind of flatten it out here. I probably could use a piece of cardboard or something. Okay. All right, not the most beautiful seal, but I mean, me personally, I reckon that's holding some air. All right, so there we go. Now I gotta do this 3 more times. Alrighty, boys, so we got the 2 fronts done. The good old 9 wide, look at that. Seal's not the greatest, but I mean, it'll do. It'll work. If it holds, it holds, you know what I mean? So these are the fronts, these are the 9 wide. Got those done. What the? Got those done. Now working on the back with the big 5-inch lips. I mean, maybe they're not massive, but they're pretty good. So I'm gonna throw the freaking, bro, bear. No bear. Oh my. Dude, I can't play the bear game right now. I'm busy. I'm busy. You guys know what the bear game is? It's a dumb game. Stupid game. All right, dude. Well, so basically if you fart and somebody says bear before you can say no bear, you have to get down on all fours and wherever you are and scream like a bear. Right. Oh, I gotta do the, here we go. Wheel number 3. Accordingly, this actually isn't taking too long. I've already got 2 wheels built and I've been at this for about, I don't know, an hour, or no, longer than an hour, like 2 hours probably. So hopefully Wednesday I'll get my tires on and then I should finally be able to put the wheels on this car and hopefully I get my bumper, my stuff done painted this week too. I have finished 1 rear wheel, which, all right, bro, cooked. Gotten 2 of the fronts, 1 rear, and working on the rear right now. One thing I noticed from doing the fronts and the rears, I don't know if this has anything to do, but this is flat, as you can see. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is flat. The fronts, the lips were kind of, which one's a lip? This one. The lip was kind of stepped up, and it was like slanted down on the fronts, but the rear is not like that. It's just flat, which I prefer this over that, but I don't know. They were both like that, so we're almost done. I'm not going to reveal the wheels on the car in this video. That'll be in the reveal video for the car once that's done. So bumper, side skirts, trunk, stuff like that. But here we go, my least favorite part, sealing wheels. Oh, we got some dried goop in the thick bead. First smoothing of the bead. Here we go. This one's pretty thick, which is good. It's probably the most satisfying part of doing wheels, bro. Just like, oh. So as 1 layer done, I'm gonna do probably 1 more thick one and be fine. I don't think I need to do 3, just because how thick I can put it on. It'd probably hold like this, but I'm not sure that'd be safe than sorry and just put 2. I mean, whatever. I know most people just do it in 1, but I feel much more confident in these holding air with doing 2. So that looks to be good. Now I'm gonna smooth out the edges. This is probably not necessary, but I like to have the edges just flat, just so I know that when somebody's putting a tire on this thing, they won't grab the seal. Some sticky tape. Well, boys, with that being said, that is the end of today's video. This was just sealing the wheels, putting them back together. So now we have 4. Next video will be the reveal of this thing. I'm gonna have these on the car with tires, side skirts, and bumper. Hopefully, maybe trunk finished. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'll get that done before my show next week. Still got a good amount to do in the trunk, but yeah, boys, hope you guys enjoyed this series. Like I said, I don't know how to build 3-piece wheels. I don't know what I'm doing, but I did it with those and they hold fine. So I just did the same thing on these and call it a day. So yeah, boys, appreciate you guys for watching the good old channel. Subscribe if you have not. Yeah, boys, I'm out.